The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today held talks with President of Egypt Abdel Fattah El-Sisi in New Delhi. On this occasion, India and Egypt exchanged MOUs in the fields of cybersecurity, culture, information technology, youth matters and broadcasting. In a joint press statement after the meeting, Prime Minister Modi said, "Terrorism is the most serious security threat to humanity, and India and Egypt are concerned about the propagation of terrorism around the world." He said both nations have decided to take bilateral relations to a strategic partnership level. Modi said there are lots of opportunities in the defense sector for both countries. He said India-Egypt strategic partnership can be a start of political, defense and scientific development.
भारत और इजिप्ट दुनिया भर में हो रहे आतंकवाद के प्रसार से चिंतित है। हम एकमत है कि आतंकवाद मानवता के लिए सबसे गंभीर सुरक्षा खतरा है। दोनों देश इस बात पर भी सहमत हैं कि क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिज्म को समाप्त करने के लिए ठोस कार्रवाई आवश्यक है।